Hello everyone and welcome in a new video of unboxing, and today I'm going to unbox the Arduino BLE Sense board. This is a very powerful board, especially designed for the BLE applications, Bluetooth applications, and one very special feature of this board is that this board could be used for the TensorFlow Lite. So that's the main reason I ordered this board, and I'm going to explore this board is because this board has the capability of using the TensorFlow Lite. So from the very far time I wish to have such board which could have the capability of using the TensorFlow or any machine learning framework enabled. Although the Raspberry Pi is capable of using the machine learning platform, especially the TF Lite version, but the dedicated microcontroller which is capable of doing this is really great. So if I open up this box, the Nano 33 Sense board BLE capability. So this is the board, and this is the box which comes, and it says it has the connectivity of BLE 5.0. chip is Nano B3, which is NRF52840, and it clocks is 64 megahertz. Memory is 1 MB flash, which is a lot, and 256 KB of RAM, which makes it sufficient for a little bit of deep learning in it. Interfacing, it provides the USB, SPI, I2C, I2S, and UART. The voltages, it contains the 5 volt, 4.5 volt to 61 volt of input VN. Do not think the microcontroller operates in a 21 volt. I don't think any microcontroller could operate in such voltages. It has the built-in regulator which converts the voltage to the 5 volts, so the VIN supply could be ranging from 4.5 volt up to 21 volts. So you can connect the VIN supply up to 21 volt. 3.3 operating voltages. Input USB voltage is 5 volt, and 3.3 is operating voltages of this microcontroller. The pinouts is the pinout is 14 digital pins and 6 PWM pins and 8 analog pins. The dimension is 18 by 45 mm, so it is not that big. You may think it is. It also comes with a static discharge foam, and this is the board. So it is very tiny. I wasn't expecting this that little, so but it is a very tiny board. It comes with the 2 unsoldered headers, so you can solder this manually from like this. And that's all for the Nano board, Nano BLE Sense. So see you in the next videos with the hopefully the upcoming projects with which contains the machine learning. So stay tuned with us, and thank you so much.